my God.
Hi, baby. I'm waiting for you at the hotel room. I can't wait to have you. I can't wait to have you. Look at this. Look at this. Sinyash.
Jesus! Jesus!
Ututuze. Hey, honey. Simba. Mbadenjera bide. Hey. Sorry, mbadenjera bide simba. Naye kati munango manyinga benaga ngenda kutaputa. Ngenda kutaputa manyi abajulizi bano. Oli abave Take, oli abave Saudi, oli abave Gaza, ngabaze kulamaga.
Ogenda kutaputa.
Kati ngenda kutaputira abo mu Luganda bambi mbataputire sina
taputa. Agenda okutaputa ku bajulizi.
Ntaputira bana Uganda mbataputira.
We are summer.
So baby, I love you so much. Kwagala. Hani obambisazeemu ebyokutaputa.
Naye!
Kangene ntapute. Kale baby kantapute. Naye singa wadde bakkiriza bakyala baffe kutaputa nabo.
Nze kansigale. Kansigale engeri gye nina.
Kale baby. Love you.
I love you. Love you.
I love you.
I love you. Father.
10 minutes later.
Honey.
Baby, nkulinze nawe oluddewo okutuuka.
Loogi yeruwa?
Nkulinze nagamba wali ku Black Gate nga wakava ku kikubo kya May. Oyingirako katono munda.
Kale kanzije. Ekamba gambye mungenda kutaputa. Mbungenda kutaputa bamisa we wanwe. Gate ne Black. Kale kanyingire. Be ready for me.
Tugenda kufa. Wano wetulaga tugenda kufa.
Baby, you said room 007. 007. 007. I think I'm here. 007.
Yes. Good boy.
Finally, privacy.
I know, right? Sinyash.
Look at Nyash. Look at Nyash.
Honey.
Oh my baby. My baby.
Honey, I missed you.
Honey, tumanyi kyendiko. Tumanyi kyendiko. Naiba naye. Zino muzigula wa zino. Because I bought you this last Christmas.
Yeah. You know my shoes.
I know. Kumanyi in and out.
I know.
Naye, baby, kakubona story. What's your view kumchala wange? What's your view kumchala wange?
Bakumukazi. Simanyi kibulaki wesiba ku mukazi omuwanvu. Ye nalinga olusolobyo, amagulu gamulinga gamaya. I don't know. What do you really gain? Okubeera n'omukazi gw'otayagala. Nanze gw'oyagala ani wangamba bamukukaka.
Baby, ekitobi kiniti olukazi baalungaka.
Then let her go. Mwesonyiwe. Muwanvu akusinga obuwanvu akomerya akulengera mu kawongo. Abakazi bawanvu bamanyi bwe bamanyiira.
After tonight, I'm starting on divorce proceedings. I get married to you.
You are so sweet. I can't imagine my life without you, baby.
This is a bed.
I know.
Chokamba. Chiri nchikobe maka.
Chigobe.
Nekwase chichafu.
Muchafu. Mugobe. Omukazi omuchafu bino. How do you manage? Okitege.
Ata unya.
Honey, I don't want us to waste time. Can we go and have bath?
You go have a bath?
Yes.
And then after?
And then after?
And then after? Bineka sibirawa. Baby, let me tell you. Bineka sibifuna.
Bileke kasazo omufuna.
I don't get this at all. There's no soap.
Oh, soap.
So what is that called? You follow how many? You need two and B.
I know, right?
By the way, see me room service. We need soap. Honey, let me come, eh? Okay, I love you. Room service. What is me room service? I don't want to get out. I'm with my love of my life. Okay. Now you know what? Can't okay, ka? I'm going to kasi kwa kema kama. Yes. Kuba. When you get home, chase your stupid wife out of the house and keep this cow woman. But I'm with her, please, baby. He's now breathing. Obera mukazi ruwambo rukomberi rutulira mukawompo tozola lukambwe ruzimu rutemu rutojo towenda kwe. So. Honey, yes, babe. I'm bringing the soap.
Okay, babe.
Gitawo wano.
Sibirimu.
Mukibyo talimu. Wano. Nyabo bangobe. Oje ofumbire. Wano. Kati njagala okugamba ebigambo bino wammanga. Njagala kyenkugamba kyokola. If you live your life, what I'm going to tell you is what you do. Okay? Stand up. Young one! sabika. Mama utakola wali kalwele. Taye chakasoli. Oyagala musanyewo. Situka. What? Nonsense.
Nebo. Baby, the salt is here. Hey, honey. Oh, you're in bed already?
I missed you.
Oh, baby.
Honey.
Naked. The shoe off. Off. Yes, my darling.
I can't wait to
Me too, baby. What a dobozi. Darling,
Yes, honey.
what are you going to do to me?
Anything.
Okay, let me close my eyes and give you a chance. What are you doing? What are you doing? Baby, I can't take it any longer. Baby, it's now time. I can't wait. Ah! What are you doing? Baby, no. Bobanga baby ofuka muzimu. Ofuka mojo kachara ngamba. Mukama katonda mbo muzimu kutusiza mcha baby wangu tufuka mchala wangu. Chua dayo mlinya na Yesu. Dayo. Mama tachuka. Baby. There was a girl here. There was a girl here. How did you come here?
I came on foot.
I came using foot.
Okay, where's the... Ah! Honey!
Baby.
What happened? What's going on? Love, I can explain.
Explain what?
Baby. Honey.
But ndasoka kutaputira oyo. Ndasoka kutaputira oyo, ndaputira abayigirizwa. Honey, akukulide. Ekituufu mbadde ngenze kutaputa bintu naye bwe ngenze kutaputa ne bamasoka taputa ono naye.
Sagala kutta muntu yenna. Okay? Just make a choice. Either a tall bay or a short bay.
Londawo kyekiseera nange nkuwa ebintu by'okunzuuza. Nkooye.
Tall which bay? Short, very soft nyash. Soft nyash money. Soft nyash money. Soft nyash money. Sina choice.
Nonsense. Stop wasting my time.
Chimeri to be waka.
Honey, my wife, baby, let me say, Tobe.
Omugoba, Omugoba. Kale. Ndira. Let me tell you something. I'm so tired of you. Saka kudamu kumanyira. Laba waswaziza nzenna. Bulijjo nnimba. Sima mukazi wange simwagala. Nyo kati obadde odduka ki kubuuza alege ebitama. Tonjasabira gwejja kuba.
Honey, I'm high and dry.
So what?
I'm high and dry.
Let me tell you something. Ngoye ebintu by'okunkukusa, ngoye ebintu by'okuneketera ku maloogi.
I promise you,
Otegera?
baby. I'm dying, please. I'm dying. Save me. You're a human being too. Yes, you have brothers. Put yourself in their shoes. Yes, baby.
Really?
Yes.
For the last time.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, baby.
Omanyize ndi muntu mulungi.
Webale nnyo. Nkumanyi.
Sit down. I can't live in that
Thank you so
situation.
much. Thank you.
Ate nekirungi.
Yes.
Obadde akasabuni. Use that nonsense.
Honey! Baby! Baby! And Taylor Nyash! Taylor Nyash!
Chai!
Ati nenda kutafuta honey.